In this Windows 10 guide, we'll walk you through the steps to block Windows Update from downloading and installing updates on your computer automatically. 1. Disable automatic updates using settings. To temporarily disable automatic updates on Windows 10, use these steps. Open Settings. Click on Update and Security. Click on Windows Update. Click the Advanced Options button. Under the Pause Updates sections, use the Pause Until drop-down menu, and select the time range to disable automatic updates. Once you complete the steps, your device will no longer receive updates of any kind until the day you specified. When your device reaches the pause limit, you must allow Windows 10 to download and install the latest updates to make the option available again. 2. Disable automatic updates using group policy. To permanently disable automatic updates on Windows 10, use these steps. Open Start. Search for gpedit.msc and select the top result to launch the Group Policy Editor. Navigate to the following path: Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update. Double-click the Configure Automatic Updates policy on the right side. Check the Disabled option to turn off the policy. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. Once you complete the steps, Windows 10 will stop downloading updates automatically. Although the automatic updates feature will remain disabled, you can still download and install patches manually from Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and clicking the Check for Updates button. 3. Disable automatic updates using Registry. To permanently disable updates on Windows 10 modifying the registry, use these steps. Warning: this is a friendly reminder that editing the registry is risky, and it can cause irreversible damage to your installation if you don't do it correctly. It's recommended to make a full backup of your PC before proceeding. To permanently disable Windows Update using the registry, use these steps. Open Start. Search for regedit and select the top result to launch the experience. Navigate to the following path: HKEY_local_machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows. Right-click the Windows folder key, select New, and then click the key option. Name the new key Windows Update and press Enter. Right-click the newly created key, select New, and click the key option. Name the new key O and press Enter. Right-click on the right side, select New, and click the DWORD 32-bit value option. Name the new key No Auto Update and press Enter. Double-click the newly created key and change its value from 0 to 1. Click the OK button. Restart your computer. Once you complete the steps, Windows Update should stop trying to download and install updates automatically on your device. Thanks for watching. You can find us on